Elon Musk's rocket firm SpaceX already has a fleet of Starlink satellites in orbit that provide internet connectivity around the world. Could the next logical step be for the company to sell a satellite phone? Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Reuters report claimed SpaceX is exploring plans for a satellite-connected Starlink phone along with direct-to-device internet and even orbiting data centers. This could help SpaceX break into new markets and take global connectivity to another level. Clues are hard to ignore. Starlink already partners with T-Mobile to send mobile signals straight from space to smartphones. SpaceX has filed trademarks for Starlink Mobile, and Musk himself has said he wants full cellular coverage everywhere on Earth. Put it together, and it sounds a lot like a new phone is coming. But Musk says not so fast. After the report made the rounds on X, Musk fired back, saying, "We're not developing a phone." Still, people are still wondering if it may simply mean SpaceX isn't building one right now, not the idea that it's dead. In fact, just weeks ago, he said a Starlink phone wasn't out of the question, but stressed that it wouldn't resemble anything we use today. He said the device will deal with ultra-efficient AI, not apps and operating systems. On Joe Rogan's podcast last year, Musk predicted the death of traditional smartphones altogether. He says the future phones would be AI devices with tools that generate whatever you want to see or do on demand. Reuters claims SpaceX has toyed with mobile ideas for years. Whether that future includes a Starlink-branded phone or something far stranger is still unclear. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.